Alright, this is Kathleen Nelson, and what I'm going to be showing you is, okay, so this is for the midterm. I don't remember my exact score, so, we're going to go back here. So 4s on everything, okay. So my explanation for student demonstrates the ability to review someone else's CSS HTML. Yeah, I do that for fun all the time. Like I will get into a website and look at the code on the back end and be able to understand what's going on. I'm pretty good at finding sources and answers to my questions and ways to solve my problems. Following current trends and changes, yeah, again, the internet's your friend. So now we'll go on to the next one, which is, alright. So I did 3.5, 3, 4, 4, and 3.5. Okay. So selectors, I'm pretty good with selectors. I could use some work on my Flexbox and grid and position float, etc. I'm getting a lot better with that, especially with this class. I've gotten a lot better with that. I really feel like I've gotten a lot better with my breadth of CSS knowledge. Like I've learned a ton this semester. Even at the point of the midterm, I learned a lot. My organization skills are still kind of but I am getting better. My troubleshooting is actually really good, so I am pretty positive about that. My preprocessors, I'm not that great. Like, I understand variables. Mixins are still one of those things. Same with nestings and partials. Compiling I'm good with. I attended all my meetings regularly as a group and, message people on Slack. So I did pretty good with that. And we've all been, we all contributed pretty equally with work on the Zen Garden. So, yeah, that is why I chose the grades I did.